Alright, question 23. A survey was conducted to get an estimate of the proportion of smokers among graduate students. The report says 38% of them are smokers. Choose the correct choice of the null and the alternative hypothesis. Well, before we get our null and our alternative hypothesis, what we need to do is find out our original claim and the opposite claim. Okay, so the original claim is that there are 38% of the graduate students are smokers. Okay, so proportion is equal to 0.38. So all you're doing is just taking that 38% and you're changing it to a decimal. Okay, so the opposite of that, the opposite of equal is not equal. So not equal to 0.38. Okay, from that we can get our null and our alternative. Okay, so for the null hypothesis, it always has the equal sign. Okay, the alternative never has the equal sign. Okay, so between these two up here, I'm going to take the one that has the equal sign. I'm going to put it there for the null hypothesis. So P is equal to 0.38. Okay, so the alternative is going to be whatever's left over, so not equal to 0.38. Okay, and there you go. Part A, that's your null hypothesis is P is equal to 0.38, and your alternative is P is not equal to 0.38.